ready to start trading? First, you'll need to fund your account. Whether it's crypto or fiat, Coinlocally makes deposits simple and secure. We support a wide range of currencies and networks. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make your first deposit. First, log in to your Coinlocally account through the app and go to the Assets section. Then select the Deposit option. Search for and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Next, choose the network based on the exchange or wallet from which you are transferring the funds. Once you select the network, a deposit address will be shown. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code to get your deposit address. You can also save the address image by clicking on Save Image. Check your recent deposits by clicking the button at the top right of the screen.